napilitang magpakasal kay Alejandro Santillán. Surely, Alejandro was someone that every girl would want to be her boyfriend or even husband. He is rich, tall, and undeniably good-looking. Isa lang ang problema. Ubod ng sungit ang lalaki at kasing lamig ng yelo ang pakikitungo sa kanya.
Wag mo nga akong tingnan ng ganyan.
Why not? In a few days naman magiging mag-asawa na tayo.
Hanggang sa makilala ni Sandy, ang artistang si Prince Montreal. Later on, nalaman niya na magkakilala sina Alejandro at Prince. And they had some falling out years ago. Pero hindi lang yon ang nalaman ni Sandy tungkol sa dalawang lalaki. There was something dark about them. But it didn't stop Sandy from falling deeply in love with her ice-king husband.